Hey everyone, welcome back to another IELTS video. My name is Pravida from Neetus Academy. Well, if you are preparing for the IELTS academic test, then today's video is exactly what you need because we are going to talk all about IELTS Writing Task 1, what it is, what the examiners expect, and how you can score a band 7 or above. So make sure you watch till the end because I will also be sharing some tips and the structure that will help you to write the academic writing task 1. Alright, let's get started. What is IELTS academic writing task 1? In IELTS Academic Writing Task 1, you will be provided with a visual representation of the data, a pictorial data. This could be a graph, chart, map, pie chart, diagram, or a multiple graphs. And your task is to summarize and describe the key information in your own words. And you will be provided with 20 minutes to complete this task. And you need to write about 150 words, and you can write it in around 150 to 170 words. And remember one thing, you are not supposed to give any opinions explanation over here. You need to report the information factually and clearly. What kind of questions can you expect? Let's take a look at the different types of visuals you might get. Line graphs, showing the changes over time. Bar charts, comparing the quantities. Pie charts, showcasing the proportions. Tables present the data in values and numbers, maps or processes showing changes in a location or describing stages of a process. Each of these types requires a slightly different approach, but the core skill is the same, identifying the trends, comparisons and significant features. How to structure your answer. Now, let's look at a simple but powerful 4 paragraphs that will be working for almost any writing task 1. Paragraph 1, Introduction. Here, you need to paraphrase the question, but don't repeat or don't copy it directly into your writing. Use your own words to describe what the visual is actually represents. Paragraph 2, Overview. This is considered to be the most important paragraph in IELTS Academic Writing Task 1. And here, you need to skillfully select or collect the main trends, main comparisons, the similarities in your writing. And you need to write a general summary of the trends, the main features that you have selected in a more proper way. And make sure that you haven't used any values, numbers in this paragraph. Paragraph 3 and 4, Body paragraphs. Here, you present the key details, comparisons and figures. And if you want, you can group the similar information and you can use the cohesive devices or linking words such as whereas, contrast, however and all. Scoring criteria. Here, the examiners will mark your task 1 based on 4 main criteria. Task achievement. Here, you need to cover all the requirements of the task and you need to cover the key features accurately. Accurately selecting and comparing the key features is really essential. Coherence and cohesion. Here, the information and data that you have selected should be logically sequenced. The paragraphing should be clear and effective. Here, you can use a range of cohesive devices appropriately, but make sure that you need to avoid the overuse or the mechanical linking. Lexical resource. Here, you need to use a variety of vocabulary related to the topic. You need to accurately use all the collocations and expressions. One more thing, avoid repetition and word misuse and make sure the spelling and the word forms are correct. Grammatical range and accuracy. Here, you can use a range of sentence types such as simple, compound and complex. And keep in mind, grammar and punctuation are mostly error-free. Work on improving each of these areas to move from band 6 to 7 and beyond. Here are a few pro tips that you can keep in mind. Don't describe every tiny detail. Focus on what is important and use comparative language effectively. Practice the paraphrasing the question. It helps your introduction stand out. Always leave 2 minutes at the end to check for grammar or spelling errors. And that's everything that you need to know to get started with the IELTS Academic Writing Task 1. In the upcoming video, we will be breaking down each chart type and showing you the band 8 answers step by step. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
വിദേശ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസമാണോ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം? IELTS ഈസിയായി ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യാം നീതൂസ് അക്കാഡമിയിലൂടെ.